Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and let's start with the shortest codes, and the first one is *#06#, and as you can see by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. Now another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one, it's *#07#, and thanks to it we can check the maximum SAR level. Tap on OK, and another code which is pretty easy to remember, it is *1234#, and here we've got the version number. Another code is *6776#, and here we are in the software version, so we can check technical information about our device, like the model, for example, the Android version, master date, branch version, build number, etc. Sorry, a build time, not the build number. Alright, another code is *#426#, and here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, and tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information, so for example the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code which is *#225#*#, and here we are in the calendar information, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check how many of the events you've got in specific categories, because unfortunately we cannot really enter those categories. So this is just, informative. Another code which I can show you is the hardware revision. It is *#888#, and basically here we've got the PCB number, and we can scan this QR code and check some further details about this device. Let's go back, and the last code for today's video is *800#, and here we will enter the feedback menu, of course give all the permissions it needs to open this feedback, and basically if you meet some different problems with your device, so for example if you've got some problems with the touch screen or the camera or the connection or whatever, you can actually report them. So let's pretend I've got problems with my display, so just tap on it. Here we can choose specific categories, so for example maybe touch screen and maybe mistouch. I highly recommend to turn on the screen recording, thanks to which you will be able to actually record the problem, show the problem to the developers by recording everything. So all you have to do is to simply tap on start, and actually before here you've got also the steps. They are different for each issue which you wish to report, so make sure that you will read everything. And as you can see, you have to restart your phone to capture a valid log for this issue. I don't want to restart it right now, so just let me okay, discard. So let me just go back, but this is the whole idea of this feedback menu, so I think it's quite useful. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.